Hello, children. Let us start our day with today's thought. Let your dream be bigger than your fear. Let your dreams be bigger. Dreams means your goals in your life. So your goals should be much bigger than your fear. You should not afraid of achieving your goals. You should not afraid of any things, but your dreams or your goals should be bigger than your fear. Children, in the last period we have seen action words, that is doing words or verbs. So today we will see the book exercise. So this is 3.5 language study, and in this language study we are going to study about action words. Okay, so let's play. So here is a game we will play. Now I am going to tell you one action and you have to do that action. Okay, so the first word is fly. So fly. Now you will fly. Yes, do the action of flying. Correct. Now hop. Hop means when you hop means jump, but when you hop you will move ahead. Okay, when you jump just still at one place, but when you hop you jump and move ahead. Now do the action of run. Running. Yes. Now jump. Now the next action is sit, but for that you have to first stand up. So stand up. Now sit. Yes. Now clap your hands. Yes. Now you have to do the action of swimming. Swim. Yes. Now the next word is draw. Now draw something on your hand. Yes, correct. Now dance. Yes. Now cry. Nobody likes to cry, na? Yes, but now you have to do the action of crying. Yes. Now write. Write your name on your hand. Yes, correct. Now laugh. Yes, we should always laugh. Now sing. Sing a song. Correct. Now throw. Now there is nothing in your hand, but you have to do the action of throwing. Just do the action of throwing. Yes. Now walk. Yes. Now all these are action words. They shows some action is going on. Okay. Now there is a game which you will play. Okay. Now see. Look at the chart. So we have seen this chart. Read the words. So we have read all these words. Now what we have to do? Now write any of these words on the chit of papers. Now what you have to do? You have to prepare a chit of papers. चिट्ठियाँ छोटी छोटी बनानी है, and you will write one action on one chit. Then what you have to do? Fold the chit and drop it into the bowl. Now what we will do? You will write different actions on the chit of paper. Then fold that paper and keep it in the bowl. Now each of you pick up a chit. Now you will sit with your friend and you will ask your friend to take a chit. Now read the word and on it and perform the action. So you will read which chit you got and you will perform the action. You will do that action, and then what happened? Your friend will look at the action and guess the word. So in this way you can play a game of action words. So you will prepare the chit. One of your friend will take out, read, perform the action, and the other friends will guess what word is that or what action you are doing. So what we have studied today? We have studied about action words. So we will see the definition. Words that expresses an action, means the word that tells what is going on, which action is going on, they are called as action words. Okay, so suppose I said clap. So you understood what is clapping. So the word that expresses an action, they are called as action words. Okay. Now see, this exercise, children, you have to do in your book only. It is in the book, so you will do it there only. Okay. What you have to do? Circle the action words in each row. So words are given and you have to circle the action words only. Okay. Now see the first one. The first word is bag. Bag is a name of the thing, so it is a noun. Now the next word is happy. Happy is again an expression. It is not an action. Okay. Now the next is walk. Walk means chalna. So it is an action. So circle the word walk. Now number 2, cup. Cup is the name of thing. So it is a noun. Then the next word is sing. Sing is an action. Yes, correct. Sing is the action. So circle the word sing. Now the next word is bread. Bread is again a name of the thing which you eat. So it is a noun. Now the third one is bounce. Bounce, when you take a ball, you bounce it. So bounce is an action. So circle the word bounce. Now the next word is glass. Glass is again a thing. So it is a noun. Now the next word is look. Look is again an action. So circle the word look. L-O-O-K. Look is an action. Now fourth one, the first one is draw. Draw is again an action. Then pin. Pin is a name of thing. So it is a noun. Then black. Black is a color. So it is again a noun. Then jump. Jump is the action word. So circle the word jump. Circle. Circle is a shape. So no need to circle it. It is a noun. Then balloon. Again balloon is a thing. Ant. Ant is a name of a animal or insect. So it is a noun. Then drink. Drink is the action word. Then catch. Again catch is the action word. Okay children. So this exercise you will do in your English copy. In your English textbook only. Okay. Now see the next one is so now the next is B number question. Using the circle words above, write a sentence for each and write them in your notebook. So here you have to make the sentence of these words. Okay. So these sentence you will write in your English copy. But this exercise, A number exercise, you will do it in your English textbook only. Okay. Now see, this is the thing that you have to write down in your English copy. So children, your copies are with me. So you will start this chapter from a new book. You will take a 100-page copy, new copy, and in that copy you will start this lesson. So you will give the heading 3.5 language study action words. In that you will write down today's date, and write down question number 1, new words. So which are the new words? FLY, fly. Number 2 is HOP, hop. RUN, run. Now the next word is JUMP, jump. Then the fifth word is SIT, sit. Now sixth word is CLAP, clap. Next word is SWIM, swim. Swim means तैरना. Number 8, WALK, walk. Walk means चलना. Ninth, DRAW, draw. Draw means to draw something. Then DANCE, dance. CRY, cry. Cry means rona. Then WRITE, write. Write means likhna. LAUGH, laugh. Laugh means hasna. SING, sing. Sing means Gana. So all these are action words. Now frame the sentence from each word. Now we have circled, we have seen this exercise in the book. So we have circled those words. Now using those words we have to make a sentence. So the first one is walk. Walk means chalna. So we will make a sentence. Elephants walk very slowly. Yes. Now the next word is sing. I sing when I am happy. है ना? जब हम खुश होते हैं तब गाते हैं ना? So I sing when I am happy. Then the third one is bounce. Bounce. So make a sentence. These balls bounce on the floor. Okay. Now the fourth one is look. I look at the plants in my garden. So I look at the plants in my garden. Now the fifth one is draw. I can draw beautiful picture of rainbow. Okay. Now the next is sixth one is jump. J-U-M-P, jump. So monkeys jump from one tree to another. You must have seen na jump monkeys, they jump from one tree to another. Now number seventh is drink. We should drink a lot of water. Yes, we should develop the habit of drinking lot of water. Now number 8 is catch. I play catch at my home. So these are the sentences which we have to write. Now what is your homework? You have to repeat question number 1 and question number 2 once in your English copy number 1. Children, you have to make a new English copy, new 4-line English copy for writing this, and the previous copy you have to submit me for correction. Okay. So complete your work. You will complete your work daily. Okay. So meet you in the next period. Till then, thank you.